Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, January 22, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. Is the coffee machine working today?
Good morning, David. Yes, it is working. I am making a cappuccino.
Great. I need a strong black coffee. I am very tired this morning.
Me too. I have a lot of emails to read. How is your week going?
It is okay. I have many calls with clients, but I am happy it is almost the weekend.
I agree. The project is going well, but I need a break. Do you have a busy day?
Yes, very busy. I have a meeting in 10 minutes, but first, coffee.
Coffee is the most important thing. Did you read the news this morning?
Yes, I did. I saw something in the Wall Street Journal. It makes me a little angry.
Are you talking about the new money rule? The article from January 20?
Exactly. The digital dollar cap, it is crazy.
I read that too. The government wants to limit cash withdrawals.
Yes. We can only take out $500 in cash every month. Only 500.
It is a big change. The article says it starts next month.
I use cash for everything. I pay for my lunch with cash. I pay for my barber with cash.
I understand, David. But the article explains why. They want to stop tax evasion.
I know, but it feels like they are controlling us. $500 is not enough for a family.
It is strict. But most people use cards or phones to pay now. Do you really use more than $500 in cash?
Sometimes. What if I want to buy a used bicycle or a gift?
You have to use a digital transfer. The government says it is safer.
I do not like it. I like to have my money in my hand. It feels real.
I see your point. But for the economy, it might be good. It stops illegal business.
Maybe, but it is annoying for normal people like me. I am a sales representative. I like freedom.
I am a project manager. I like structure. I think digital records are cleaner.
You always like rules, Alex. I just want to buy my coffee with a $10 bill.
You can still do that. $10 is small. Just don't spend $500 on coffee.
Huh? That would be a lot of coffee. Okay, what about the other news?
Which one? The technology news?
Yes, the one in USA Today. Did you see it yesterday, January 21?
Oh, the eye scan commute? That is a very interesting topic.
Interesting? It is scary. New York City wants to scan our eyes.
It is for the subway system. They want to replace tickets with iris scans.
I do not want a machine to scan my eye every morning. It is too personal.
The article says it is much faster. No more lines at the turnstile.
But what about my privacy? My eye is part of my body.
That is true. But we already use our faces to unlock our phones? Is this different?
Yes, my phone is mine. The subway belongs to the city. Where does the data go?
The article says the data is encrypted. It is secure.
I do not trust it. Computers have problems. What if they lose my eye data?
That is a risk. But think about the efficiency. Thousands of people can enter the station in 1 minute.
I prefer to wait in line. I like my plastic card. It is simple.
Technology is moving forward, David. We cannot stop it.
I know. But scanning my eye to go to work? It feels like a science fiction movie.
It does feel futuristic. But it saves paper and plastic. It is good for the environment.
You always look at the positive side. I just see a robot looking at my face.
Well, maybe you can wear sunglasses? Oh wait, then the scan does not work.
Exactly. It is a problem. I hope they do not bring that system here.
We will see. Usually these things happen in big cities first.
I hope it stays in New York. I like our old office badges.
Speaking of rules, did you see the Boston Globe today? January 22.
Oh, the news about dogs? Yes, I saw it.
The pet license exam, that is a big controversy.
It is ridiculous. A written exam to own a dog.
I think it is a brilliant idea. The article says there are too many bad owners.
But Alex, a test? 50 questions? That is like school.
Owning a dog is a big responsibility. You need to know about food, health, and training.
I have a dog. His name is Max. He is happy. I never took a test. You are a good owner, David, but many people are not. They buy dogs and leave them alone.
The article says the test costs $100. That is expensive.
It is a barrier. But if you cannot pay $100, can you pay for the vet?
That is a good point. But 50 questions is a lot. What if I fail?
Then you study and try again. It ensures you are ready.
I think it is too much government control. First my cash, then my eyes, now my dog.
It does seem like a lot of rules in 1 week. 2026 is a strict year.
But think about the dogs. The shelters are full. This law helps the animals.
I love animals. I want them to be safe. But a written exam feels cold.
Maybe a practical exam is better? Show that you can walk the dog?
Yes, that makes sense. But a paper test? My dog cannot read.
The test is for you, not the dog. You are funny, David.
I know. I just worry. What if I answer question 5 wrong and they take Max away?
The law is for new owners. The article says current owners are okay.
Phew, that is good news. I was worried about Max.
See, it is not so bad. It is just for the future.
Okay, I feel better. But I still don't like the cash limit.
We have to adapt, David. The world changes every day.
I know, but I miss the simple days. Just cash, tickets, and dogs without diplomas.
I understand, but look at the time. Our break is over.
Oh no, you were right. I have that meeting in 5 minutes.
Good luck with your sales. Try to make some money.
I will. But I cannot take it out in cash, remember?
Haha, very funny. Have a good meeting, David.
Thanks, Alex. Good luck with your project. See you at lunch.
Maybe send me a message. Have a good morning.
You too. Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.